I'm Dr. Abhishek Bajpayee, Assistant Professor of English from Government Shahid Rajiv Pandey College, Bhatagaon, Raipur. Today we will be discussing and understanding report writing. It's Unit 3 of UG second year Foundation Course English. So let's start with the topic. There are certain rules to write a report, such as what is a report? A report is generally a summary in brief of incidents or accidents happened in near past. It contains all the minute details or statements about something heard, seen, or done. It basically talks about the events of the past. A report can be oral or written, but a written report is preferred for clarity, authenticity, and precision. A report must be always written in reported speech. A report is usually written in simple language so that the message could be conveyed easily. The simplest form of a report writing is a report of a telephonic conversation. If a report is about a particular function, 15th August, or any special occasion, we should mention the date at the top of the report and then start the writing. So, having said this, I would like to discuss some important topics for report writing. They are as follows. Number one is a report on air pollution in your town. Second one is a report on accident that took place last night. Third is a report on bad conditions of roads in your locality. Fourth one is a report on water scarcity in your town. Fifth one is a report on blood donation camp by NCC unit of your college. Sixth topic is a report on students union election in your college. And seventh one is a report on annual function of the college. I'll present here with two examples of report writing. The first one is about the annual function and second one is about the blood donation camp. So let's start with the first topic, a report on annual function of the college. First we have to mention dates such as 14 January 2020. Then we'll start the report as the annual function of Government Shahid Rajiv Pandey College, Bhatagaon was organized on 14th January 2020, Tuesday. The chief guests were Mr. Satnam Panat, the ward member, and Mr. Kanhaiya Agrawal. The procession began with the worship of Goddess Saraswati. The principal of the college read the annual report of the college and shared her future plans. She mentioned the performance of the students, academic performance as well as performance in sports. She told that the performance in sports has been very well throughout the year. A few students have been selected in interstate level Kho-Kho and hockey. She discussed the achievements of the students in the state level youth festival. The students were served with a heavy breakfast after the report. The students were then allowed to perform dancing and singing through the cultural program. We all enjoyed the programs till 5 p.m. It was a very memorable and successful program. So this was the report about the annual function. Now I will be switching to the second report, that is a report on blood donation camp organized by the NCC unit of the college. Here again we have to mention the date at first at the top. So the date is November 8, 2019, Raipur. Then we start the report. A blood donation camp was organized by the NCC unit of the college on 8th November 2019. Dignitaries and high gentry of the area participated and donated blood to save the lives of the people who need blood. Then all the staff members stood in queue and donated their blood. Some of the senior citizens also came forward and donated blood. The donors were given milk and juice after they donated blood. The health minister of state was also present there. He gave a short speech on the occasion. He gave away certificates to all the donors. The blood donation camp was a great success. Everybody praised the function. So these were the two examples of report writing. I hope you all will be benefited with the content. Thank you.